Once again, welcome back to my channel. This is VS Academy. Today we're gonna learn very important topic from the arithmetic. This is a discount. Okay, to learn this topic you need to know some terms like MAC price. MAC price means listed price or printed price of an article is MAC price. This price is fixed by a shopkeeper. Suppose cost of some article is something. This tells by a shopkeeper. That means that price is MAC price of an article. After that, discount amount is reduced amount from the MAC price. This is discount amount. Sometimes discount is given in percent. In this case we can calculate discount amount by using formula discount percent of MP. Discount percent of MP. Discount percent of MP. That means discount amount always calculate on MP. Then after reduce this discount amount from the MP, then we will get the price, which is price after discount. Price after discount or SP. Then we can calculate this price after discount by using formula NP minus discount amount. Next one is VAT amount. If VAT percent is given, we can calculate VAT amount by using formula VAT percent of SP. VAT percent of ESP. VAT means financial charge imposed by a government when sold some article or service. That amount is VAT. This is added to the price of a good. Then price including VAT is price. VAT is price with VAT is SP plus VAT amount. One thing you need to know, discount amount always calculate on MP and VAT amount always calculate on price after discount or SP. And discount amount is reduced from MP but VAT amount is added to the SP. Okay, let's learn some example, then we will learn more concept related to the discount. Okay, first one question, the MAC price of an article is Rs 550. In this question, MP is given, MAC price is given Rs 550. Discount percent is given. This is 10%. MP and discount percent is given. We can find discount amount, which is 10% of MP. Discount amount equals to 10% of MP, or discount percent of MP. This is equals to 10 upon 100 times 550. 0 cancel out, 0 cancel out. Rs 55 is discount amount. Then price after discount is what will be its actual price, means this is price after discount. Price after discount equals to MP minus discount amount. MP is Rs 550 minus 55. This is Rs 495. Okay, question number 2. The MAC price of a calculator is Rs 260. What is the selling price of it if 5% discount is allowed? In this question, MAC price is given 260, discount percent is given. That means we have to find discount amount here first. Discount amount is discount percent of MP. 5 upon 100 times 260. 0 cancel out. 5 to 10, 26. Divided by 2 is 13. This is discount amount. Then price after discount is MP minus discount amount. 260 minus 13 is 246. Discount amount always calculate on MP. And selling price after discount equals to MP minus discount amount. Question number 3. The cost of an electric bulb is Rs 150. If shopkeeper sells the bulb by allowing 10% discount, find the actual selling price of the bulb. Cost of an electric bulb means this is printed price of bulb, means this is MP. Yes, MP. Cost of an electric bulb, MP equals to Rs 150. Discount percent is equals to 10%. Find discount amount. Discount amount is 10% of MP. 10 upon 100 times 150. 0 cancel out, 0 cancel out. Rs 15 is discount amount. Then find price after discount. Actual selling price means price after discount equals to MP minus discount amount. MP is Rs 150 minus 15. This is equals to Rs 135. This is the actual selling price of a bulb. Okay, question number 4. The selling price of a watch is Rs 270. If this watch was sold at 10% discount from the market price, what was the market price? In this question, discount percent is given, price after discount is given. We have to find the value of MP. We know discount percent always calculate on MP, and MP is not given, means let MP be X. Px. Then discount amount equals to discount percent of MP. Discount percent of MP. This is 10 upon 100 times X. X upon 10 is discount amount. Then price after discount is equals to MP minus discount amount. And price after discount is given. This is 270. Is MPX minus discount amount is X upon 10. Or 270 equals to X divided by 10 times 10 minus X upon 10. 270 equals to 10x minus X. This is equals to 270 9x upon 10. Then by cross multiplication, 270 times 10 upon 9 equals to X. This is 9 3 is 30 times this is 300. 300 equals to X. Therefore MP is Rs 300. Okay, next one question. Calculate the market price of a sweater purchased at Rs 1075 at 14% discount. This is price after discount. Price after 14% discount from the market price. Sweater purchased means this is CP for customer and SP for shopkeeper. Then discount is given by a shopkeeper. Means this is price after discount. But CP for customer. In this question, discount percent is given, MP is not given, means let MP be X. Then discount amount equals to 14% of MP. 14 upon 100 times MP is X. This is 14x upon 100. Price after discount is MP minus discount amount. MP minus discount amount. Price after discount is given 1075 and MP is X and 14x upon 100. 1075, this is X times 100 upon 100 minus 14 upon 100. 1075 100x minus 14x. Then by cross multiplication, 1075 times 100 equals to 86, or 107500 divided by 86 equals to X. This is equals to 1250 equals to X. Therefore MP of a sweater is Rs 1250. Okay, next one question. If NP of a cycle is Rs 4500, how much amount should be paid if 13% VAT is levied after allowing 13% discount on it? MP of a cycle is given. That means we have to find discount amount at first, then SP, VAT amount and price with VAT. Here MP is given, Rs 4500. Then find discount amount, which is 13% of MP. means 13 upon 100 times 4500 cancel out. 13 times 45 is RS 585. Then find price after discount SP MP minus discount amount, which is equals to MP 4500 minus 585. This is equals to RS 3915. Then VAT percent is given. Now find VAT amount. VAT amount is VAT percent of SP. VAT percent of SP 13 upon 100 times 3915. This is equals to RS 50895 VAT amount. Then find price with VAT. Now price including VAT equals to SP plus VAT amount. SP plus VAT amount. VAT amount always calculate on SP as well as add to the SP. SP is 3915 plus 508.95. This is equals to, this is our final answer. In the question, if MP discount percent and VAT percent is given, at first find discount amount, then find SP, then find VAT amount, at last find price including VAT, that is SP plus VAT amount. Okay, next one question, find the actual price of a radio set of marked price is Rs 1500 with 10% discount and including 13% value added tax VAT. In this question, marked price is given, discount percent is given, and 13% VAT is given, means we have to calculate actual price, means price with VAT. Okay, MP is given, discount percent is given, means find discount amount at first, then price after discount, then find VAT amount, at last we have to calculate price including VAT. MP is given, Rs 1500, discount amount is 10% of MP, discount percent of MP 10 upon 100 times 1500, 00 cancel out, Rs 150 is discount amount. Then find price after discount, MP minus discount amount. MP is Rs 1500 minus 150, this is Rs 1350, this is price after discount. Then find VAT amount, which is VAT percent of SP, 13% of SP, 13 upon 100 times SP is 1350, 00 cancel out, Rs 13 times 135 divided by 10 is 175.5. Now we have to calculate price including VAT, price including VAT. Price including VAT equals to SP plus VAT amount. SP is Rs 1350 plus VAT amount is 175.50. This is equals to Rs 1525.50. Therefore actual price of a set is Rs 52550. Okay, last one question. A bicycle is sold at Rs 9040 after allowing 20% discount and imposing 13% VAT. Find the marked price of the bicycle. In this question, a bicycle is sold at Rs 9040 after allowing 20% discount and imposing 13% VAT, means this is price including VAT, and we have to find the value of a marked price. Discount percent is given, MP is not given, means let MP be X. MP be X. Then discount amount equals to discount percent of MP, which is 20 upon 100 times X. 21 is 20, 25 is 100, means X upon 5. X times 1 is X, upon 5 is discount amount. Then find SP. SP is MP minus discount amount. MP is X minus discount amount is X upon 5. This is by taking LCM, try to get the simplified form. LCM of 5 and 1 is just 5. Then divide this LCM by denominator of first expression. Quotient is 5. 5 times X is 5X. Again divide this LCM by denominator of second expression. Quotient is 1. 1 times X is X. This is 4X upon 5. This is price after discount. Now calculate VAT amount. VAT amount is VAT percent of SP. VAT percent of SP. VAT percent is given 13%. VAT percent of SP 13 upon 100 times SP is 4X upon 5. Then this is 52X upon 500. This is VAT amount. Now price including VAT equals to SP plus VAT amount, or price including VAT is given 9040. SP is given 4X upon 5 plus VAT amount is given 52X upon 500. Again solve by taking LCM. 9040 equals to LCM of 500 and 5 is 500. Then divide this LCM by denominator of first expression. Quotient is 100. 100 times 4X is 400X plus again divide this LCM by denominator of second expression. Quotient is 1. 1 times 52X is 52X. Then solve by cross multiplication. 9040 times 500 equals to 400X plus 52X is 452X, or 9040 times 500 divided by 452 equals to, after the calculation we can get the value of X, which is 10,000. 9040 times 500 upon 452 is 10,000. This is mark price of a bicycle. Therefore thousand. Okay students, I have finished my lesson. If you do like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any confusion, leave your comment below in our comment section. See you in next video. Bye bye.